Hi friends, good evening. My name is Achyut and I'm from Vizag. So today in this video, we will learn how to register with LinkedIn. So let's not waste the time. Let us go into the class. So click LinkedIn and log in, sign up. There you will be having new to the LinkedIn, and here you have to click email. So I have created some dummy email. So at the rate of gmail.com and password. So after that, you have to sign in, and after that, you will be having first name and the last name is, so continue. So after that, you will be having welcome Akshat, and what's your location? See people jobs. So it's asking the location. So where you from? So default it came India and Visakhapatnam and click on next. Then you will go to the next. Your profile helps you discover new people and opportunities. So you can give a job title like associate software engineer, like associate software engineer like this. An employment type full time, most relevant company, or tech. So you can give right? Yes. So Maori tech. So you can click on continue. So then you will get the confirmation OTP to your mail ID. You have to check your mail ID and you will be having your PIN. So how many digits? It's 6-digit PIN. So it is, so it's 4 3. It's automatically taken and go to the next interface. And it's saying, are you looking for a job? Your response only will be visible to you. Yes, I'm actively looking for a new job. Not really, but would consider the right opportunity. No, I'm not interested in any job opportunity. So always click on the first, check the first icon and click on next. So what kind of job are you looking for? So software, software programmer or developer, and location. For example, you want a job in Hyderabad, or you want job in Visakhapatnam. So you can do anything. So I'm open to remote work. So click on the tick box and you can click next. So get notified when new jobs are posted. Two job rates that best match what you are looking, and you can create more. The software engineer. So I have clicked two boxes are checked to on, so that you get notified when new jobs are posted. When any recruiter posts any new job, you will get the notification through LinkedIn. So click on next. Let recruiters know you're open to new jobs. Share with recruiters. This will show people using LinkedIn Recruiter that you are looking for a new job. We take steps to not show recruiters at your current company, though we can't guarantee complete privacy. So it's saying they can't guarantee complete privacy. So it's better to take care while posting some your documents. So if you scan this QR code, then the LinkedIn app will be downloaded in your mobile phone. So I hope I got it, and click on next. So see, whenever you log in with your company details, the previous company details, so then you will be having your company colleagues who are working in different locations. All those details will be available in this LinkedIn. You can connect with them and you can chat with them. See here, all these people from Hortech. So you can connect with them. So I'm skipping for now. And after that, you will be having a lot of people and go click on next. So after creating LinkedIn, you will be having like this is a message box where you can message. Is a chat box, so where you can message here, and you will be having the notifications here, suggestions, job search, and software. So all these things will be there here, and you will be having my jobs. So all these things I will explain in next video. So we'll be having home. So this is the home, and so this is the network, and these are the jobs. So these are the messaging, and these are the notification, and this is your profile, your profile. So this profile is not updated with the fully requirements. So you did not upload the photo, your profile photo and background image and all those things. And all those things will be discussed in the future videos. So for the business, for the business, you can search here, and all those things will be there in the LinkedIn. So these are the features which are there in the LinkedIn. So this is the basic video of LinkedIn, how to register LinkedIn. So I hope you understand how to register with LinkedIn. Sorry. So if you find this video is helpful for you, please like it and please share it to your friends so that they can be benefited from this video. And please ring the bell icon. Then only you'll get the notification, or otherwise you will not get the notification. Thank you, friends. Jai Hind.